Hey guys, so me, Ryan, and Cody are headed out to Kansas. We left this morning about 5:30. It's about 8:30 now. I think we're in Mississippi. I've been doing a lot of my math homework trying to finish up college before we get there. I'm about to stop by the Bass Pro Shop in Memphis. So y'all experience that a little bit with us. So y'all stay tuned. Huh? Look at it. Woo! We made it, boys.
Yeah.
Memphis, about 9.
Memphis, Tennessee.
Made it to the Bass Pro
The
Shop.
Pyramid.
About to check it out.
We about to cut loose in here.
We are about to show y'all.
So how long we been driving, Levi?
We've been driving about 5.5 hours.
Yeah.
And, we just got here in Memphis.
Yeah.
It's about 9:30. We got 9.5 hours left on our trip. I've allotted Cody and Ryan, I've allotted them an hour and a half in the Bass Pro Shop. I think that's plenty of time, but we've got to get this done in an hour and a half so we're not getting to Kansas around midnight.
All right.
Ryan, what do you want for Christmas?
This boat right here.
You think you'll get that for Christmas?
Yeah.
You think?
Maybe Santa come through. Man just broke down.
I'm just a poor old sinner saved by grace. And God saw fit to save me. And y'all saw fit to bring me to Kansas with y'all. And I'm just so excited and y'all love me that much.
Oh, there it is, Pittsburgh.
I went to Mississippi, but I never crossed the Arkansas.
This is the Mississippi.
I may cross into Arkansas.
Oh.
I don't like the beach.
So Cody is currently in Steak and Shake, placing a card on the table with his number on it for the waitress. He has made the drop.
Ryan is extremely excited
You gotta talk louder if you want
about his belt. He's prepared and he's dialed in.
Other side of them shot.
Oh, well, just pull mine out.
We're back out here in Clay Center, Kansas with Midwest Whitetail Adventures. We're in a stand we call Turkey Roost. We got pretty high mile-an-hour winds, running about 24, 25 miles an hour. It's pretty cool. It's about 48 degrees. We got our corn pile about 25 yards in front of us. We got a couple of bucks coming in here pretty regular in the daylight. I'm hunting with my compound bow. I got my cameraman Cody with me this evening. First time out here in the Midwest. He's pretty excited. But hopefully we see a bunch of deer tonight to open our hunt. It's December 11th. Rifle season just went out and bow season just opened back up, so we got to take our orange off. So y'all stay tuned and hopefully we have a good hunt tonight.
What's up, guys? It's our first evening hunting in Kansas. The guys got here last night and we got in the stand for an evening hunt this evening. It's pretty windy, pretty warm for December in Kansas. I mean, it should not be 50 degrees. It should be about 26, but we're gonna stick it out for a few days and see what we can't see. We're in a good spot. We're in a real thick cedar thicket. A lot of deer moving through the area, not much pressure down in here. A lot of good pictures on trail camera, so we're gonna sit here till dark and see what happens. Y'all wish us luck.